Welcome to Code Brew Labs. In today's video, we are going to delve into the live demonstration of the FinTech Solutions Admin Panel. It's a central hub where you can manage your payment products. It's designed to give you instant access to key areas, like managing clients, monitoring transactions, and investigating suspicious activity. So, let's start client management. This section lets you see all platform users with their names, roles, IDs, and contact details. You can also check their account and KYC status, ensuring they meet regulatory requirements. Scroll right for more details, like a user's last login and transaction dates, giving you insight into their activity. Here, you can also access full contact information for direct communication, system details, addresses, and even additional information like profession. The platform keeps track of user actions, including logins and password changes. You can also view a complete user session history. Get a quick view of a user's latest financial activity on the platform. This data helps with anti-money laundering and fraud prevention. Chat. The built-in chat module allows for easy communication with users directly within the platform. In short, you can easily explore user details, track activity, and ensure compliance all within one convenient platform. Here, you can also access the client's accounts, including their ID, IBAN, and other details. The KYC Status tab allows you to verify the documents. The Notes tab allows you to jot down important information or reminders related to clients' accounts. Before a new client uses the system, they have to perform KYC process. In the Client section, you can view the client details. To request additional documents from the client, clicks on the Client Information section and contacts the user through the system, sending an email or making a phone call. You can temporarily freeze the client's profile during document verification and unfreeze it when the document has been checked. You can initiate the KYC procedure at any time to ensure that every client in the system undergoes regular KYC verification. Chats. In this section, you can send newsletters to inform users about the system updates and contact customers directly by message. Additionally, it is possible to access the chat history, allowing customer support to gather valuable insights from conversations. In case if the user wants to reset the password, you can do it password reset functionality. In the Client section, finds the right customer and views the user action history to review the latest account operations. If you notice a suspicious activity, an unknown device attempting to access the client's account. To prevent any illicit activity, reset the password via the system, ensuring the security of the personal information. This section provides a detailed breakdown of each transaction performed by your clients, including whether it took place via the web or terminal, status senders and recipients, names and IDs. Additionally, you can see the transaction amount and any associated commissions. This information enables you to better understand the specifics of the transaction in question. The section also includes chargeback features to track chargebacks efficiently. For example, suppose your client requests a chargebacks after making a transaction, and the bank returns the money to your client's account. In that case, you can track these disputes, including their status volume and results in our chargeback section. Similar to chargebacks, this section also covers refund features for efficient tracking of disputes and returns. Investigations. AML prevention. The problem in this scenario is the suspicious transaction, a large money transfer of $100,000 to a customer with no prior history of receiving such amounts. This raises concerns about potential illicit activity, requiring further investigation. The section acts as the problem solver by providing a structured process for investigation. It enables the reviewer to analyze transaction details, initiate an investigation, freeze the account if necessary, and communicate with the customer. The document verification and submission feature allow the customer to provide supporting evidence, which ultimately helps resolve the issue by confirming the legitimacy of the transaction. CFO Assets. Within the platform's Assets section, you can view existing currencies and add new ones. Here, you have to enter details like Bitcoin's name, code symbol, and a description. Once added, you can activate Bitcoin for exchange. This functionality allows you to choose the main currency for system operation. The admin can also monitor the existing assets, liabilities, commissions and their status. You can set Bitcoin's exchange rates in two ways, manually or automatically. For manual updates, you have uploaded a file containing the desired rates in case an automated approach is preferable. The platform integrates with currency exchange providers like Currency Cloud, keeping Bitcoin's rates constantly updated. System Account section shows vendor accounts that handle transactions through a commission or a gateway wallet. This functionality allows the system users to view all transactions and approve or decline them. In this case, the admin can approve the action of debuting $10,000 from the gate provider account. Cash Desk. Via the system functionality, the admin can view the cash desk information, including its working hours and address. To verify the operation, you can check cash desk details. Here, an open operation, a withdrawal of $500 by Bridget Spinach. After verifying the transaction details and the customer information, you can approve the operation and closes the working day for the cash desk. Reconciliation. In this section, you can maintain financial control by planning regular reconciliations. This feature allows you to set up reconciliation schedules to quickly identify and resolve any discrepancies between your accounts and those of your vendors. System Calendar. The admin can create a specific calendar to track operational activity in the system. It provides the efficient management of the reconciliation section. To create a calendar in this section, choose the calendar type and period, and turn on the time shift. By accessing the Operational Days section, you can view the operational calendar and check each day's balance. This feature helps to track daily balances and simplify the reconciliation process. Monetization CRO section. This section is a central hub for managing vendor contracts that help to monetize your payment product efficiently. Here you can set fixed commission rates or percentages along with the limits you define. These commissions and limits apply to transactions conducted internally in the system and to transactions involving external providers. This section is a central hub for managing vendor contracts. The admin can access information about existing contracts, including their names, types, start dates, and current statuses. Admin can also create new contracts via the system functionality. He needs just to add essential contract details, like name type, monthly fee, and start dates to approve the action. Admin follows the contract details section. It is a purchase for Vodafone products that requires contract updates according to new terms of cooperation with the payment provider. Here, he can edit contract commission details. In this section, admin enters the start and end contract dates. Here, he can choose the commission type. For example, he uses the fixed US% category. From the right side, admin configures the transaction amount, presets, and other details. In the right section, the CRA configured contract limits. For instance, he can manage the maximum amount and number of transactions per day, and control the volume of transactions per specific period. This centralized approach streamlines contract management and simplifies fee and limit configuration, ensuring financial control. Vendors. From here, the admin can add a new vendor to the system. He navigates to the Vendor Management section, where all system providers are represented, and uses the vendor creation functionality. In this section, admin can specify the new vendor's name, choose its integration within the system, and set up currencies. He can also define debt and reconciliation permissions and approve the vendor creation. Here we have information about system vendors, their creation date, and statuses. Roles. From this section, admin can create a team member's account using the team member functionality. Admin has to enter email or phone number and confirms the action. They can also view any existing user profile and temporarily deactivate or change roles for them if necessary. Admin can configure new users' account permissions so he can ask and manage all customers their KYC status and blacklist. This role will have specific permissions to the contract module, including contact creation and setup functionality. User also will be able to access and manage the Client Support Center module. By creating this custom role, admin can ensure that the customer support agent's activities are limited to only designated permissions. This was all about the admin panel of the digital payments management software. If you want to launch your own software like digital payment management software, we the team code Brew Labs can help you. Get in touch with us by clicking on the link given in the description.